What if you could create winning ads and test them before spending your actual budget? Now you can with Quvy's Auto Create. Build ad concepts in minutes and see what's likely to work, all before you spend a dime. First, tell us about your ad. Drop in your website or app link, pick your industry and region, then add some details about your product, who you're targeting, and what you want to achieve. You can add as many details as you want or keep it simple. Now for the fun part, creative direction. Choose your imagery style, color vibe, fonts, overall mood, and layout. This is where you shape the look and feel of your ads. When you click on the Generate Ad Content button, Quvy takes everything you entered and turns it into full ad copy and image prompts. From here, you can fine-tune your headlines, calls to action, visuals, whatever you need. Plus, pick your ad formats. Hit Generate, and you'll see multiple ad variations. Select your favorites and import them straight to your creative library, or choose Import Only to test later and keep creating more ads. Want different options? Just hit Regenerate. Or scroll up to the top of the screen and click the Image to Add tab to generate an ad from a pre-existing ad or reference image. From the Creative tab, you can run simulations to test your ads against synthetic audiences and see which concepts are most likely to perform. Incredible, right? Try it at qvy.com.